All right, in this video, we're going to cover the workflow section of CallRail. Again, you go to settings. If you need to make that selection for the company, always pick the Roadside Assistance TN company. And then you come over here to the workflow tab. A workflow, I guess the best way to explain it is this is a process that incoming calls are going to go through when they come in. So, for instance, in this situation here, we'll look at the Roadside Assistance TN workflow. You see that there's two numbers assigned to it. If we click on that, you'll see that calls come in. We've named it up here. That lets you know it's assigned to two different numbers. We've got recording calls turned on, and the workflow we're using here is called a simu call. What that does is when phone call comes in, it's going to make this phone number ring, and it's going to make this phone number ring. And we have prevent voicemails and automated systems from answering the call, so the call never goes to voicemail. If the destination doesn't answer within 60 seconds, it goes to the next step. And then if it doesn't answer then it's going to play a recorded message here. You can preview that message here as well, and then you can save your workflow. And then you say yes and save and activate my changes because we didn't make any. And then you go ahead and say, those are the ones it's assigned to already. It's asking if you want it to assign it to any others. We don't. And that is a workflow in a nutshell. You can duplicate them. You can edit them. You can use a pre-made workflow if you want it just to go direct to voicemail, or if you want it to have a greeting and then dial a number and then go to voicemail, or a greeting and give them a menu or simu call like we did. You can have it call specific numbers during specific times. And this is the lead center call queue. We don't use a lead center, so it's not really something we'll deal with. One of the things we'll look at here, we'll go into detail on building these. We just want to familiarize yourself with what they are. You have keypad scoring. So when a call comes in after it's completed, there's going to be a message that's played to you that says, if you're answering on a cell phone, it says, was this call a qualified lead? Press 1 for yes, 2 for no. You can also say, I wanted to add a tag, and then how would you like to tag it? Press 4 if it's a missed call, or you can use any of your preset tags that you have. We're not going to do that there. You can say, I want it to record a value. So enter the numeric value of this call followed by the pound sign is what it'll tell you. So you enter whatever it is. If you have some numbers saved up in your head that you think makes sense for what you're doing. Automated response. So if we have a call that comes in that we miss, it's going to send a text message to them that says, Roadside Assistance here, I'm with a customer, are you in need of some help? And that text message is going to come from this phone number right here. This is also where you'll find your tags for your calls and where you can manage them. You can click the edit here or delete them, whatever it is you choose to do. If you choose that, then you can disable, enable, whatever you want to do. These are account level tags, not company specific. Then Teams is not something that we use. And you also have the section here for uploaded recordings. So if you remember over here, this call flow, down here, wrong call flow, sorry. It's the middle one here. Oh, baby. Okay. So this has a message that is red. Sounds a little funky.
Thanks for calling Roadside Assistance. We are with a customer and we'll call you back right away.
Sounds a little funky. We don't miss calls, like we try not to. Or you can have it play a recording and then you would choose one. Before you can choose a recording, guess what? That's right. You go over here and add a recording. So it's pretty cool the way that you can do this, because if you click add a recording, You could give it a name, and you can say Justin. We'll just use my name. You can browse for an audio file. And then there's also number. Let's see. I think there's a way here too, which, if I recall correctly, you can add a recording through this process here. So you can choose a recording. You can choose an existing one. We don't have any existing ones. You can upload one from your computer, or you can create a recording. So we'll allow that. We're actually not on that microphone right now, but you can use your computer's microphone to create a recording, and you can name it. And I do believe if you do it from your phone, there's a way that you can have it call your phone, and then you can record a recording. I'll figure that out, and I'll get back to you guys in the notes or something. But that is the workflows in a nutshell. We'll get into detail on building those in a later video. If you want to go ahead and like and subscribe, turn on notifications, whatever gets you all happy, cool. If not, I get it too. If you haven't started using Towbook and you're doing roadside or towing, get it. It's awesome. The link's below, and I get a free month of Towbook if you sign up with that link, and then you get Towbook, and I'm telling you, it's the best I've found. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.